Hey, thanks for stopping back on my channel today. Real quick before we start, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button down in the lower right hand corner so you don't miss out on all my future videos and you can go back and check out all my videos from the past. Got a couple announcements I want to give out today. Real quick, I just want to go over a little thing that I do with my hammers that helps me increase my grip strength. Maybe it doesn't wear out your hand as much. You know, because every once in a while if your wrist starts to get sore and your elbow starts to get sore, it's a little thing that I do that helps that. You young guys, you don't have to worry about that yet. But if you have big hands like I do and the handle to your hammers are so narrow, it's kind of hard to grip them sometimes. And you really have to kind of use a lot of extra effort to hang on to it. So with my hammers, I wrapped it in paracord, put a little hot glue at the end. So that way it's a wider grip, much easier to hang on to. I can just swing and swing and swing all day long. It makes it much easier. Also did my bigger hammer. Did it in bright orange because when you're working around the shop, you always say, hey, where's my stuff? You know, you look over, oh, there it is, bright orange, can't miss it. That's why blaze orange is hunting color, so nobody will shoot you. So it's easy to find, easy to pick out in your pile of hammers on your workbench. Yeah, so that, and then also I want to start a drawing giveaway to increase subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the little button in the lower right hand corner and subscribe, because once I get up to 100 subscribers, I am going to do a knife giveaway or some sort of hatchet giveaway, tomahawk or warhammer, something cool I'm going to make and give it away. So leave me some comments below. Tell me what you think I should give away for the 100 subscriber giveaway. If you're new to the channel and you want to get into the drawing, all you have to do is subscribe and leave me a quick little comment of what you think I should give away, whether it's a knife, hammer, tomahawk, something, blacksmithy, something cool. What else? I think that's about it. Wrap your hammers, helps with your grip. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, button, lower right hand corner. Leave a comment, thumbs up, pass on to your friends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. As always, see ya.